Na, na. Again.
1, 2, 3.
Waka.
Ay! Bilisan mo.
Sige na dito. Na.
1, 2, 3, go.
I will give you an activity sheet. Do the word picture matching. I will give you 3 minutes to do the activity. The direction says, listen carefully to the teacher. Check the correct sentence based on the picture. Okay? Get one to pass. Get one to pass. Okay? Get one to pass. Okay, ready? For number 1, ready? Number 1. They are ready to jog or they are ready on the lawn. Number 2. The fox has a fox or the fox is in the lawn. Number 3. The dog has a toy or the dog has a cat. For number 5, the lad saw a mob or the lad saw a rob. Lastly, let us go with the mob or Bob saw the mob. Done? Okay. Kindly call, hindi pa po.
Eh,
So, saan tayo sir?
yung tapos na.
Done? Are you done, children? Oh.
Yes, sabihin mo na lang.
Are you done, children? Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay,
Are you done, children? Yes! Okay. Kindly collect group 1. Anak, kindly collect for group 2. And for group 3, kindly collect. Eh, yung part na yun, yung magpapakulit, pwede lagyan ng sound.
ah.